Got side, and more side.
You like that?
Getting cold. Getting down to the end of the year here, but we're still working. Another project going in down here. This was done a little bit earlier in the year over here.
Flashback. Epilogue.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share this video with every person you've ever met in your whole entire life. Hey.
Moments later. A flashback.
This was done a little bit earlier in the year over here. Copper tree fountain winterized for the year. We put this beautiful pond in right here. Oh. Now we're working on going to be a patio all around there. And there's a nice beautiful swimming pool going in right here. Whole nice little outdoor living space. Gonna be absolutely epic. Right in this absolutely epic house property. Courtyard area. It's gonna be fun trying to get everything in and out of here. We're the outdoor living experts.
Yeah.
We can do it.
Respectfully.
Boys over there digging up that drain spout. It is insanely cold outside today. As you can see, yesterday got the excavation done for the patio, underlayment in, geotextile fabric, and starting to put down some stone base. So we're getting all this done now, because once that pool's in here, we're not going to have access to get back over here to finish it up. There's the man. Almost forgot, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.
Hey!